Students, welcome. Welcome to another session. Now I want to discuss about mediation. What is the effect of mediation? I may share my screen to you. Wait, share. Actually, mediator. What is the significance of mediation or mediator? As we know, there are three types of mediation: full mediation or total mediation, second, partial mediation, third, no mediation. To understand the effect of mediation, first you have to eliminate the mediator and do structuralization modeling with the help of other constraints. Actually, in our examples, we have 5 factors or 5 constructs. First one, policy of Europe. Second one, policy of USA. Then third one, policy of China. Then next one, Indian economy. Then next one, global wars. As we know, here in our example, global wars is the mediator. Understand the effect or significance of mediator. Please avoid the construct that named global wars and do the structural equation modeling with the help of other 4 constructs, factors, and not the chi-square value and the p-values and standardized regression weights value. Then that is the model method 1. Then method 2, please insert mediator and do the regular structural equation modeling and not the chi-square value, p-values, and standardized regression weights. Then next step, compare first method with the second method. Then you can understand the effects of mediation in our example. Okay, now you can see in my screen, you can see only 3 constructs, factors. We have developed those 4 constructs. We already understand about the development of the constructs in previous classes. Please see those videos. Here you can see 3 independent variable and 1 dependent variable. Dependent variable is Indian economy. Independent variable, policy of Europe, policy of USA, and policy of China. Then please show the relationship. Here you cannot see the mediating variable, mediator variable, that is global wars. Then type this symbol, a relationship between policy of Europe and Indian economy, like this. Policy of Europe and Indian economy, direct effect. It is known as direct relationship, direct effect. Next, policy of USA, direct relationship with Indian economy. Policy of USA, direct relationship with Indian economy. Policy of China, direct relationship with the Indian economy. Then, okay, you should draw another line between the independent variables. Okay, those are the relation between our independent variable and dependent variable. Among the independent variable, you should draw another arrow. That means double-sided arrow. Please click on double-sided arrow mark and draw lanes between policy of Europe and policy of USA, policy of China and policy of USA, then policy of China and policy of Europe, okay, etc. Then first please type this arrow, double-sided arrow, click on it, then relationship, policy of Europe and policy of Russia, sorry, policy of USA, then policy of Europe and policy of China, like this. Then policy of China and policy of USA. I think now we have developed the relationship between the independent variable. Yes, the relationship between independent variable is depicted. The relationship between among the independent variable is depicted using double set arrows. The relationship between independent variable and dependent variable is depicted using single-headed arrow. Single set arrow. That is the difference between the relationship among the independent variable and the relationship between the independent variables and the dependent variable. Okay, now clear. Then you have to draw another variable aligned with your dependent variable, that is Indian economy. Then please click this. Please click on this figure. Add a unique variable to an existing variable. Click on it. Then here, click. Then please name the variable. Then please click on it. Then yes, normally we give res, then _1. Yes, _1. Now I think the process is completed. Now please do the structural equation modeling estimates and compute various items and write the relevant items. It is a first method. Direct effect without mediator, without mediation, without mediating variable. This first method. Then analysis portion, analysis properties as okay. Then it is correct. Then calculate estimates. Yes, calculate estimates. Click on it. Now you can see the calculate estimates and standardized estimates and standardized estimates. Then view the test. That is very, very important. Yes, view the test. I may share the screen to you. Stop share. Share. Now you can see the AMOS output. Then please write the important result. Those results are required for tomorrow. Tomorrow we will do method 2 by inserting mediator. Here you can see model fit, the most important one, chi-square value by degree of freedom. That is the most important one. Chi-square value by degrees of freedom. That is the most important one. Chi-square value by degrees of freedom. That is the most important one. Chi-square value by S. Model fit chi-square value. You can see CMIN divided by degrees of freedom. Please write in your notebook. That is 4.620. Then type estimates. Yes. Under the estimates, you can see the regression weights. First type the regression weights. Then you can see the mode. You can see the p-values. Then Indian economy and policy of Europe. Please note it. Whether it is significant or insignificant. P-value 0.6664. P-value, I will repeat again, 0.664. Yes, it is insignificant. Then under relationship Indian economy with policy of USA. Policy of USA. Whether it is significant or insignificant, you can see 3 asterisk signs, then significant. Then Indian economy with policy of China. Yes, it is significant. The value is 0.038. That means it is less than 0.05. It is significant. Okay. Now, please write the standardized regression weights. That is very important. Standardized regression weights. In first case, it is 0.032. Yes. In second case, Indian economy and policy of USA, 0.560. Third case, Indian economy and policy of China, that is 0.137. Okay, please note all those values. Please note all those values. Those values are very, very important. Okay, those values are very, very important. Okay, this is a method one. That means eliminating mediating variable, eliminating mediation. We have done structural regression modeling and not the significant values. This is method one. Tomorrow we should do method two. Okay, thank you. I am your course coordinator and course instructor, Dr. Shivakumar A. FCMA, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Sri Nilakanda Government Sanskrit College, Patambi, Palakkad District, Kerala. I am a fellow member of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. Besides, I am approved PhD grade of the Calicut University. Okay, thank you.